Creating stock items. Stock items are used to track each inventory item or a product or the SKU that you purchase, process, consume or sell. To create a new stock item, use the Create option and select Stock Item. Use the Configure button and set Show More Configuration as Yes, and Show All Configurations as Yes. This will allow you to enable the options Provide Description for stock items for entering detailed description of the item to be printed on the invoice. Set the option Use Stock Category for stock items to classify items under stock categories. Enable the option Use Alternative Units. Set Provide standard buying and selling rates for setting the purchase cost and selling prices. Set Use costing and market evaluation methods to preset the required costing method. Enter the name of the stock item, use the alias for barcodes if needed and classify using the stock group and the stock category. Select the primary unit and you may use an alternate unit and set the relationship between them. Note that this is similar to the compound unit, but it will allow you to break the relationship during data entry. Additionally, you may set the purchase cost and selling prices applicable from specific dates. Select the appropriate costing method applicable to your item. At zero cost method does not calculate the closing value for the item, suitable for the subcontracting industry where the item is received from a third party for processing. The average cost method provides the annual weighted average costing for the item. The first in first out method allows the consumption of items from first or the earliest purchase within the current year, while first in first out perpetual uses the first or the earliest purchase made across the years, useful when the items are perishable or have an expiry date. The last purchase cost method calculates the closing value of the stock item based on the last or the latest purchase cost. The last in first out annual and perpetual methods are the reverse of first in first out methods where the latest purchased item is consumed. The monthly average cost method is similar to average cost method but calculates the closing stock for every month instead of annually. The standard cost method revalues the item at a user-specified cost, used when managing precious metals like gold, silver, etc. Based on the valuation required for your inventory, you may use any of the valuation methods. Enter the opening balance of the item as of the company's books beginning from date and allocate it to the locations. Accept to save and create the new stock item. Creating or altering multiple stock items. If you want a quick and a fast way to create stock items, you may use the chart of accounts by pressing H or by double-clicking on chart of accounts on the menu gateway of Tally. Select stock items and press enter. Use Alt+H or click the button Multi-Masters and select Multi-Alter. Select all items or any stock group under which you want to create or alter the stock items. Use Configure button and enable the option Show Stock Category Details. To add a new stock item, scroll down and enter the new ledger name and select the group required. If you need to change any of the additional properties of the ledger, use the button More Details and set the property value. Altering stock items. Use the Alter option, choose stock item and select the required stock item to alter. Please note that once the stock item has been used in a transaction, you will not be able to change the units. Save the changes to the stock item by accepting it. Deleting a stock item. You may delete a stock item in the Alter mode. Use the button Delete or Ctrl+D to delete it. Please note that once the stock item has been used in a transaction, you will not be able to delete it.